Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Hi, Father of the Nation is in the house. Ndabe miyeza sikubingelele baba.
Crash your gogo baba.
Crash your gogo.
Crash your gogo mebe ngibona imoto lekhehle hleka nje.
Should fanele sifihla aba old.
No fihlo gogo beni bahamba bama. Hayi ngeke gogo mebona likhehle limpunga. Sonic khona into engiyicabange. Yazi ngihlale ngikumema ndodana. Ngicela ngomgqelo ukukumema.
This Saturday.
Emaritzburg.
What time?
Greenleaf Estate.
What time?
Ngoba ngihlele enye insizwa lapha yakakhanyile. No, ngisafuna ukukhuluma nensizwe eziphilayo.
What time?
Sithi 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay, so khuluma uzozamukufana kabili.
As the world greatest philosopher, and a cultural historian and a mental health practitioner.
Yebo.
Hayi, fana ngithi ngifuna nje sihlangane insizwe ke ngihlale nazo. Sisiyeke lento yokukhulu ukuthi ube yo presenter. Abantu mo presenter bakulale basebejaha ukudla. Let people be vulnerable. Bavula inhliziyo, bavula ubuthakathaka babo then ke bazolalela.
I know that nathi next week is the men's conference. Ngithi ngiyazi nathi is the men's conference next week.
Next week or tomorrow?
Next week.
Aka siye Greenleaf mfana ngithi. Hayi inhlali yando ithi komthetho. Kodwa hayi kubusonza izinto zakho zobumnyama lapha nje lenhle ngayo leyanda.
Lezo zenziwa abazalwane etrendayo.
Lezo azona ngifunda lapha Greenleaf. Yazo nendawo Greenleaf. Ngikhona nondaba ezithi uzobe khona lapha
Showcase. But let's get into it time namhlanje sikhuluma about a very touchy subject. Am I out in the suicide? Ngiyezwa kuthiwa nje 80% of
It's true, Sonic. It's true. But yazi khona into engiyibona. Sonic ngicela ukubuza wena. I don't want us today to be didactic.
Okay.
Yabo as if sizofundisa ngesuicide. I think we've passed it. Bakhona abantu abafundisa ngesuicide. But I would like to zoom on aspect of suicide that nobody talks about.
Which is?
E.g., are women prone to suicide as compared to men?
No.
So abantu besilisa i-threshold yabo elow kakhulu ne-capacity to hold down to life difficulties. Could it be the pressure that society has put upon men?
Yeah.
And I want to challenge. I must challenge anybody. Culture would be very protective of men who are suicidal. But it's a cultural syncretization. Uvonkwe novobo esucaphune ngokuhamba ngeinkolelo ezithize. Izona esezigcina zenza umgogodla ukuthi nabantu abansundu sabaweki. Ngizokwenza example chronic. While conversations about suicide are very complex, but there are many things that are overlooked or less discussed in public discourse. Ngizokwenza example. Chronic physical illness. Indoda imisigule kakhulu they give up mfethu.
They give up.
No mina ngiyivakashela insizwa make esibhedlela. In fact I prefer umuntu ukumvakashela mase esibhedlela because it's the only moment la ngiyengibona umuntu osilise vulnerable.
Ekhuluma iqiniso.
And I normally get the truth out of the gentleman. I'm sorry to say that, guys. I'm not a voyeuristic umuntu othanda ukubona abantu begula. It's not a sorry side. It's not a good sight ngoba kwamina ngiphuma ngingekho right. Bese siza kwesibili sonikile eshaya nina because ngibuka abantu abacommit suicide kakhulu 15 to 24
abantu abancane.
Yeah. Bese ngibuka economic and financial hardship yanibhaqaza sonike the AGN. Yini indaba you have copied the American garbage cultural lifestyle.
Okay.
Yabo. And anikwazi ukuziraina back ukuthi thina as uDark South Africa living in this climate and this economical environment, is it suitable for us now? Ngoba igcina cause izinto ezu3 feeling of inadequacy ukuba powerless bese ugcina suicide ideating, meaning suicidal ideation usucabanga suicide. Here comes an interesting pitch. Do you know that an average man uyayicabanga suicide?
Mina umbuzo wami ngifuna ukubuza bamndabe ngiyakuzwa young people, average men, he could also upbringing contribute to this because mhlambe isimo sasekhaya sikho right.
Yes.
Lokubona umzali esokola nawe uyayibuza mhlambe umzali athi ngizoyiphila lempilo kuze kube yini.
Sinabhadile ini lekhaya.
Izifiltration akuwena.
Exactly.
Nawe usungena kwama teens mhlambe usulahlwa amantombazane noma you're not the coolest kid in school.
Nami ngangayicabanga ngaliwe ngikhumbula kahle.
khona ungakaze ayicabanga
akekho umuntu owazayicabanga i-suicide engangaliyo mfana ngithi ngembe ngimthande lwasisi yazi ukuthi I can tell you uyangikhumbula and ungilalele useMaritzburg
senabangani manje
sesayiphethe sizwana uyasho ukuthi kodwa ndaba yakwangiphoxa usufuna ukuyisipula ngenxa yami
awe ma nami ngiyakhumbula ngikhalisa ndabe
I think pain shapes us as men, but it downgrading the lack of self-worth ingoes. Thatha ingane umfana ebhulishiwe esikoleni, a child can actually commit suicide, which means stigma, barrier, and help seeking. Into policy stigma one.
Okay.
Bese kuba khona i-help seeking. Abantu besilisa abekho comfortable in seeking help uma enenking.
Not at all.
And that is one of the things that I want to talk about at Greenleaf on Saturday.
Okay.
Bese kuba i-family dysfunction and trauma. That one is big. That is big. That is big, bro. That is big.
Hey, lunzima udaba esikhuluma ngalo namhlanje, men and suicide. Ake sami seyitolo uma sibuya we unpack further ngalo daba.
Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Sikhuluma about a very touchy and a sensitive topic namhlanje, men and suicide. Ngifuna sike sibheke another different side of suicide.
Definitely yes.
And I'm going to use this example ngizosebenzisa alleged because it's what we heard versus the reality.
The reality.
I'm going to use a perfect example. Ricky Rick.
Yes.
Face value, celebrity, doing very well, dresses well, impilo imnandi, unefro, but the day I committed suicide, waba successful. And the reason why ngibe kanjalo kuthiwa there have been many cases where he's been trying to ukuthatha impilo yakhe. And bese benqoba bethi uphilile isikhathi eside ngoba kade aqala.
Ngakhuluma nenye celebrity Sonic. Yeah. Ngabuza nje ngoba ngicabanga something yathi yena wayesola kodwa engazi ukuthi what is something is wrong ngoba they would meet in the studio kube khona a moment of dryness.
Okay.
Where there are no communications.
Yeah.
Ngase ngithi mina kuleyo artist, a very wonderful person, ngathi mina ube careful about genetic predispositions and inflammatory responses in the brain because those are the inflammatory responses I contributed. That is the absence of serotonin, dopamine, and oxythalamic. Those are neurotransmitters. Those are part of a family of steroids. Enzinqondo ukuthi isebenze ikunike happiness, ikunike injabulo, ikunike bonding, over-suppressing for sexual and emotional bonding. Now, uma engekho uma neurotransmitters, the brain constantly is predisposed to inflammation. And I can tell you, 72% of your time, you vamsukuhonta suicide ideation. Life loses a meaning. Uthi noma ukhuluma kubantu ufeel ukuthi there's nobody who's listening to you and there's nobody who's wanting to understand. That is why mental disorders are a contributory fact. Some drugs, psychological state of the mind, yes. And I want to defend the culture. A culture would protect you against suicide.
Okay.
How? Sikula, if you look at a pre-dynastic era, post-dynastic era, and pre-Adamic era, it was popular with injobently thungelo bandla. Ingane ngakhulu ifela kephi embelekweni. They would force men to air and share their pain. Contrary to the Japanese one harakiri. As I say Japan, ukuthi uma ubona ukuthi uphoxile wonile, it's the honorable thing to take your life.
Isiko lelo?
Yes, it's a Japanese culture. Isenziwa manje harakiri. But ngala thina sithini indle emnyama, ithi indle emnyama ingane engakhali ifela kephi embelekweni. There is this constant push for men go and talk to the elders. Labo amakhetha aqala ethi bo baba bamakhetha amahle nginenkinga khona umfana wami lo wesithupha angimboni kahle umfana unokucasha noma nabafane waluseni bathi uba yedwa uyinkomo edla yodwa.
Okay.
Bese amakhetha yamlanda yena mfana wasala amakhetha afuna ukukubona amakhetha afike nenjobo yabo lefa ngaphambili abantu besisebheshini.
Okay.
Injobo enhle ithungelwa kephi bandla angithi azobe ithungela injobo lo khetha liphethe injobo leyiport wena bakufakela isiyingini umfana udliwa yini yebo umfana agcine ekhuluma ukuthi manje he's circled by love
Abhodle.
He's circled by energy of the positive elders, and there is a constant validation. Ebese yabhodla ukuthi khona into ezingamphethe kahle kanje kanjena. Kuthiwa mpela awenze imbuzi. Bese kuthi umfana umthungele enze nje bese kuphuma emathunjini ukhamele esandleni aphuze leyo nto umfana. They are trying to energize him. Unina asondele kuyena. In other black cultures wawuthi mune stress ne trauma bakuncelisa ibele bafuna usifazana oncelisayo.
Oh.
Yeah, I promise you. Because they believe that ukuncela ibele lomuntu osifazane will balance the brain. It does happen. Yes, when I was diagnosed with cancer, kwakhona umagodo encelisayo ngangitshela ngi-expressela. Serious?
Oh, ngakuncela direct
No,
I should be like
so I would request to express it, and she was very kind.
But Dabe, like we live in modern days now. Askwazi ukuhlaba imbuzi, we don't have that access. Mhlambe asina access futhi yomuntu osifazana onqalisayo.
Thank you, Sonny.
How do we fix it now?
I was merely bringing in a cultural reality into it ukuthi abantu bangacabanga ukuthi suicide into yamanje yayikhona but umphakathi wethu wawunendlela yokwazi ukudila ne-suicide. Now I'm saying in postmodern era, for us to get help, we must understand ukuthi yini ama-pillars e-suicide.
Okay.
Ama-pillars e-suicide Sonic, pain, hopelessness, connection, and suicide capability. Angiphinde futhi i-pain, i-hopelessness, connection, suicide. I guess you can go one by one ukuze sifike kwi-healing.
Okay.
For instance, how do you deal with emotional pain? Talk about it. Uma kune hopelessness, surround yourself with people that value and love you. And 99%...
And you look up to.
Yeah, and you look up to. 99% of the time, kungaba a family or any other respectable person who won't take advantage of you. Kukhona into sonke ngiye ngibone kuyakufika ngane zamantombazane esencane ezi-suicidal. I would unleash i-father value kubona. Ubusi uyabona lana there was a cry and a need for a father voice. Bese ngithi mina ngizokunikeza iduty ke every morning uzongibingelela ntambama uzongibingelela and you're going to share with me what you experience on that day. Kuyabinga noyibona after masinyeza wangisiza honestly kuba I did not meet you out at a corner.
Yo.
Connection. Yabona ke leyo Sonic inenkinga enjena. Rejection is a neurobiological wound. And ingozi, if you feel that everybody doesn't like you, that can gravitate towards suicide. But connection ingozi esikhathini sanamhlanje because it opens you up to ama-scavengers and people that take advantage of other people. Exactly. Bese kuba yona suicide capability as a pillar of suicide. Abantu abaningi are capable of suicide. Ukuthi ama-easy method abanawo. Because amaphilisi ayingozi uvuke kona.
Ungenzeki lento ozamukyenza.
Ungenzeki lento ofuna ukuyenza sona.
Nokuyisika.
Akuyisika kusudlala iziphi uzungafiki lapho.
Ukuyilengisa
ku risk mabe kubamba.
Umjolo.
So likumjolo yona suicide. Esikhathini sana manje.
Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Ngoba inkinga za wonke umuntu akuzona zakhe kuphela.
That is why Sonic strong beliefs about the meaning of life is very critical. Do we know the meaning of being a human being or the meaning of life? Those are the existential questions if lesifundisa ingane zethu ukuthi ziyibuze sencane. Whenever I ask young people or 10 years no 15 ngithi mina wazokwenzana emhlabeni bavane babe lost. Kanti into efanele ngabe siyayidrilla from the age of 10 ukuthi ingane ikizibuza umbuzo ngazokwenzana emhlabeni. Bese sibheka ama-social skills where you empower ingane with decision making and problem solving. Izosiza ngani leyo nto yethu izo-protect ingane kwi-anger management. Bese kuthi yokugcina Sonic i-good health mfana kithi. Access to mental and physical illness is very, very important. Yeah, ama-healthcare facilities a KZN must stand up and be seen, honest ngapela. I've never seen a country with so many little psychologists and abantu abapiliveli wona it's a mess, you know. And bese ngiyakona ama-clinicians ethu ngiyafisa ukuthi abe brave to study African culture, not syncretized culture.
Yes.
No, I direct to African culture. There's a lot that they can learn from there on how to approach this nation and help them in decision making. All the conferences that we do, ngiyangibona desire kubafana bancane to be rich, to have wealth, to live a good life and to become good fathers and parents. Remember about 200 they have the same dream.
Yeah.
But baphuma singabaphendulanga ngokuthi how do they get into that dream. That is why mina in every conference I focus on neurological makeup of a man. Ucabangani mawuvuka, what is the first thought that comes into your mind? Exactly. Umuzi une anger wenze njani? Exactly. Have you forgiven your father for having dumped you and abandoned you? Do you have a relationship with your mother? Do you blame everybody for your problems, or instead of blaming you find a solution to your own challenges? So these are some of the existential questions that we need to teach our youngsters and ask them.
Sithola kanjani?
0766 33954. Angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi kuwena 0766 33954.
Gagasi FM.